In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a purchase order in Zoho Books. A purchase order, or PO, is a formal document you send to a vendor to confirm what you plan to buy, at what price, and when you expect delivery. Before we begin, make sure your vendor and items exist in your Zoho Books account, so selection is quick and accurate. Start on your Zoho Books dashboard and head to the left sidebar. Click on Purchases. This is the section dedicated to everything you buy: bills, expenses, and of course, purchase orders. Opening this area keeps all your purchasing activities in one place, which makes tracking and approval simpler later on. Inside Purchases, click on Purchase Orders. This brings up your list of existing POs with their current statuses. It's useful to glance at this list to ensure you're not duplicating an order and to see what's already pending or sent. Now, click on New to create a fresh purchase order. You'll land on a form. Many fields can autofill based on your organization settings, such as the PO date and number. If you use custom fields, you'll see them here too. Take a quick moment to note the delivery address and terms, so your vendor receives the most accurate instructions. Next, select a vendor. Use the drop-down to choose the supplier you want to work with. When you select a vendor, their default billing details, currency, and tax preferences usually populate automatically. Confirm that the contact has the correct email for sending the PO and that the currency matches what you've agreed upon. If your organization uses taxes, verify the tax treatment is correct for this vendor. Now, select the item or items you're purchasing. Add each product or service line and set the quantity, rate, and any applicable tax. If you offer line-level discounts or need to adjust units of measure, do that here. Watch the subtotal and total as you go. This helps you catch data entry mistakes early. If there are delivery notes, reference numbers, or special instructions, use the Notes or Terms section so everything is clear to the vendor. When you're ready, click on Save and Send. This will save the PO and open the email composer with a PDF attachment preview. Review the subject, the message body, and the recipient to ensure everything looks right. Finally, click on Send. Zoho Books will email the purchase order to your vendor and update the status accordingly. That's it. Your PO is on its way, and you can track it from the Purchase the Orders list and convert it to a bill when the goods or invoice arrive.